Here's a 2019 Audi A6. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it has never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. 2019 marks a full redesign, including the chassis and engine. It's well equipped with the features you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-shift manual transmission, power tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.